मल्टी लेवल आणि कार पार्किंगची प्रक्रिया चालू आसा। वरिष्ठ पातळीचेर हो विशय सध्याक हाताळटात। विमानतळ प्राधिकरण आणि BS हाचेर मेळून काम करतात। देखून जाता तितल्या बेगीन मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंगेचो प्रश्न सुटाव जातलो, दाबोळी विमानतळाचो संचालक गगन मलिकान सांगले।
स्टँडिंग कमिटीची स्थापणूक केल्या। नागरी विमान वाहतूक सुरक्षा ब्युरोचो संयुक्त महासंचालक आणि काय वरिष्ठ अधिकारी फाटल्या म्हयन्यात गोंया आयिल्ले। या वेळार ताणे दाबोळी विमानतळावयले सुविधांची पळोवणी केली। मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंगे भितर बॅरियर्स, स्कॅनर आणि हेर सुविधा आसतल्यो अशेंय ताणे सांगले।
Last month, a very senior official from Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, Joint Director General, he had come with his team. He has seen the jobs which were required to be done. So he has seen that, and after that there is a process of making a standing committee. So that standing committee has also vetted the MLCP. Yes, MLCP is all set to be started. So now ultimately this is a process where it has to go to the highest authority in BCS. That process is going on. So Airport Authority and BCS are working jointly on this matter to see to make this MLCP operationalized at the earliest possible. So we have added lot many things in this MLCP also. Now we are going to have under vehicle scanner there. We are going to have barriers. We are going to have bollards. We all have installed that, and then we have put some additional CCTV cameras and all security mitigation measures, bomb threats, all these things have been done. They have been inspected. Now the thing is that the provision of parking outside the airport, we already have a paid parking here. Now what we have done, we had a chunk of 5,900 square meters available. It was given quite some time back, but it was somehow not got demarcated. With the help of Government of Goa and Collector South, we had got that area demarcated, and we are right now developing that parking. So that parking will be primarily used for buses and some number of four-wheelers as well as two-wheelers. So that will be an additional area which will be coming up in addition to MLCP. As regard, we are growing, we will keep on growing. We are in direct persuasion with the constant persuasion with State Government of Goa to provide us land on the other side of the railway track. So where we can develop our aviation related infrastructure including parking. We want to make a new cargo complex there. We want some parking area to be developed there and other airport related infrastructure. So that thing is also going on. Today we had a meeting under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Secretary. He has been very positive and action has been going on. There were some issues earlier. They have all been sorted out by the Government of Goa, I must admit that, and then we are moving ahead. So that thing is also I am hopeful will be provided to us at the earliest possible. Now if we have got two aspects here, one is domestic sector and one is international sector. Your point is related to international sector, but before coming to that I will take the domestic factor first.
दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर चार्टर विमानाच्या स्लॉटांचे बुकिंग सुरुवात झाल्या। हाचे पयलीं 2 ऑपरेटरांनी स्लॉटांचे बुकिंग केला। चार्टर विमान ऑपरेटरांचो प्रतिसाद पळयलो जाल्यार ह्या वर्सा पर्यटन मौसम शेळालोसो दिसता।
So far no other airlines has asked slots from us. Navy is our partner and Navy has been always supportive to us, and I don't remember any case where anything has been any request of ours has been refused by Navy. Rather they always welcome. We all sit together, we are stakeholders, we discuss things, we find out solutions to the issues. PTT we have done, we have spent around 180 crore rupees. So that PTT has reduced runway occupation time considerably, 3 minutes for an aircraft. As a gesture from Airport Authority of India side, we have installed the ILS there. New ILS has been installed because previous ILS was 20 years old, and in the same lines we have installed the new DVOR. So that pre-commissioning process is going on. So once that new high-tech DVOR is in place, so air operations will be further safe. In addition to that, there has been discussion going on with the Navy and Navy headquarters to provide us some slots within the military flying hours. So we are working together on that, how best we can utilize the airspace jointly for the benefit of Goa and for the tourists who are coming to Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले.